fast turn signal indicator. Ugh. That's the sign that you have a tail light lamp out. Let's go check it. Alright, and sure enough, the bottom lamp out is out. Luckily there's two bulbs in this F-150. This is super easy to change out. Bulbs for this one, 4057. There's different brands. Got this pack for $7 on my way home from O'Reilly's. You can probably find it cheaper online. Let's do this. Alright, open your tailgate. You're going to find a bolt here and a bolt here. These are 8mm, but a 5/16 will also work. Take them out. Alright, grasp your taillight lens as best you can. Pull it straight back. There's two tabs that are holding this thing in. Alright, you can see you got three cables here. You're going to twist counterclockwise and unlatch each one. Now really, you could just unlatch the one that is burnt out. Swap that, but kind of need another set of hands to hold the lens in place so you don't drop it, bang it on something. Get out of there. Alright, and these just pull straight out. You can see this is from the factory, Sylvania. Putting the new one in, and they can go either direction. And that's it. Alright, doesn't hurt to go ahead and test the bulb before you put them back in. Everything is working. Indicator light is flashing normally now on the dash. Alright, reverse the process. Alright, and hopefully you can see it. There's a pin here, and then there's actually an alignment pin up here at the top. Get all those positioned correctly, push it back in, make sure your wires are feeding back into the cavity holes. Alignment pins in place. Reinstall the bolts. And we're just snugging those up. And it's that easy. Boom!